Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to join the TikTok Shop Creator Pilot program, and actually it's pretty easy. You just have to follow a few requirements and follow the steps I'm going to show you right now. So let's get straight into it. First, open your TikTok app and then go to the search button in the top right corner, as you can see right here. So click on it once and here you will see this Creator Search Insights. So either you click on it or it may appear here like, and you may like creator insights, etc. So just type it if you don't have it shown here, and then you will find this creator search insights button. See what TikTok users are searching for, etc. So just click on this view button, and here you will find this panel to explore opportunities to earn with shopping insights. So click on it, and here you will find this page. Now it will explain to you what is TikTok Shop in CSI, what's affiliate program, etc. So click on apply for TikTok Shop affiliate, and then here, if you want to get accepted, you will have an email telling you that congratulations, you have been invited to join TikTok Shop, etc. So what's important to know in this case is that TikTok Shop affiliate program has a certain number of requirements. So you must be at least 18 years old, you must meet the community guidelines, so not have been banned for the past few weeks, for the past few months, not having some suspicious content, etc. And you must have over 5,000 followers for the US and over 1,000 followers for the rest of the world. Also, check if your country is eligible, and that's it basically. Now you can get invited and try to earn money on TikTok. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.